Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a super important concept in TestNG, that is how do you provide dynamic test data to TestNG tests at running time using @DataProvider. So this is really useful when you don't want to hard code your test data. So instead you can generate it at runtime or read it from an external file like CSV or Excel. So we will be going to use CSV in this video. So I will also give you a complex, not very complex, a complete working example. So first let's understand the concept to make it simple. So in TestNG, the @data provider annotation is used to provide multiple sets of data to a test method. And each row of data will make the test run one time. This way you can run your test multiple times with different inputs automatically. So there are mainly two ways to use it. That is generate data dynamically at runtime using Java logic. And second is reading data from external sources like CSV, Excel or database. So this is our folder structure if you see here. So src main Java, src main resources inside the src test Java. For pom.xml.test, we have kept LoginTest.java class, and for a com.example.utils there is testdataProvider.java class, and inside the src test resources I have kept the testdata.csv. And if you see this testdata.csv, I already kept username and password. Okay, that is I basically saved the three datas. Okay, so let's now start with our coding part. So very first thing, I will just go to my test data provider class and just provide public void get dynamic data. Now we just give list of object data equals new array list. Fine. So I'm just importing here fine, and now just giving a loop here for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 3, I plus plus, and I'm just providing here string username equals user concatenated with I, so it will just increment one by one in each loop. Okay, and system dot current time millis. Fine, and string password equals just concatenate this with I. Fine, and data dot add new object username and password. Fine. So here you can mention @data provider name equals CSV data. Fine. Now return data dot to array new object fine. So here basically you need to return. Now this is perfectly fine. So here basically what we are doing, we are generating 3 sets of username and password dynamically. And here if you see this system dot current time millis. So this ensures each username is unique every time we run. And the test method will automatically receive each row of this data. So we already saw like CSV file example. And now this is my pom.xml where we mentioned some dependencies. So I'm just showing you Selenium Java and TestNG, which is basically the required dependencies. Fine. Now let's go to our test class. Fine. So after that we will set our testng.xml. So when we go to login test class, so let's create one method here. Public void test login with CSV data. And you can pass here string username and string password. Fine. Now first we will launch browser. So that is driver equals new Chrome driver. org.openui.selenium. Okay. So we will launch the browser and then I want to maximize it. So driver.manage.window.maximize. Fine. Now we will take one internet hero KU app. So let's see. So we'll take this example. So login page. Okay. So we'll take this example now. So that is basically driver.get URL. Fine. Now I need to enter name, enter password and click on login button. Fine. So let us quickly see. Let us quickly inspect this. Okay, ID is username. Here ID is password. And here type equals submit. Okay. So we do one thing. First we will enter username. So for that, what we will do? Driver dot find element by dot ID and username dot send keys username. Fine. Then we will enter password driver dot find element by dot ID password dot send keys password. Fine. and then I need to click on login button. So driver dot find element by dot css selector, and you can mention here button, and you can give here type equals submit, fine dot click, fine. So now you can just wait for 2 seconds here. Thread dot sleep 2000 milliseconds, and then driver dot quit. Fine. And let's go to our testng.xml. So I already said you need to set the login test. Okay. So now let's run this and see. Okay, it haven't ran. Okay, so what might be the reason, team? So the reason is very clear. Go to our login test. We have not provided here @test and data provider equals, there I have given CSV data. Fine. And you need to mention data provider class, equals test, just put one comma here, testDataProvider.class. Fine. So import org.testng.annotations.start. This will work. Fine. Now just run as testng suite. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's the first input. Okay, then with the second input. Okay, then with the third input. So as you can see, the test ran 3 times with different dynamic usernames automatically. Okay, though in our CSV Excel file it was different, but here what we did, we have given total 3 dynamic values. See, if you see here, first one with user 1 underscore something something, second with user 2 underscore something something, and third one with user 3 underscore something something. So you can also make it real world using this concept. Fine. So now this made your test fully automable like a data driven test. Okay. So that's it for today, team. So today you have learned how to provide dynamic test data using @DataProvider, how to run tests multiple times automatically, how to use external CSV data for real world testing, and you could say like we have saw like how to launch the browser, and after launching the browser how to give different dynamic usernames. So I hope you liked this video. Just hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more TestNG and automation tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.